central challenge that we have in business right now is that we're in an environment of chaos, we're in an environment of uncertainty, we're in an environment of change.
Strategy Day is going fantastically well. It's really helping me think about what my clients need, what my industry needs, and what I offer, and what I need to change in order to satisfy those needs, and where I need to look to go further with my strategy, and therefore how to implement the execution part as well.
It's been a really interesting day so far. It's really good to take a day to zoom out, look at the strategy, see what we do right with strategy, see what we do wrong. Also, James has made it really interesting to go through this process.
James, this has been really helpful.
We live in a really unpredictable and fast-moving time, and the central skill that we need for that is agility.
James is a great presenter and loving this first session.
Yeah, it's been amazing.
Started out with one train of thought and found in the session that I was thinking very differently about what I thought I started out with. So learned quite a lot, very insightful.